Hello students, this is from your teacher Henry. Before you work on your writing assignment number 1, I wanted to provide a sample paragraph and to show you how using the elements of a good paragraph will help you to develop a strong paragraph. So this would be a sample that will help you as you think about what you're going to write as soon as you get your writing prompt for your paragraph assignment number 1. So looking at the top of this document, writing practice 1, I wrote, you need to think about the topic that's given to you, and such as here, I put down the most important room in your home, and think about the main idea, or why is it important to talk about or to address or answer. Then what follows after that is, once you know what you're going to write about, the topic and why it's important to you, you need to include a short title that is related to the topic and that introduces the topic as well. And also you need to add two supporting detailed sentences with an example in each sentence. This way, the sentences are strong and they each have an example to support the sentences, which in turn support the paragraph. So, following those two supporting detailed sentences, you would use a conclusion. A brief conclusion is best, and that way the paragraph is finished and it's complete. So I want to go over this sample paragraph briefly so that you know what the main idea, the topic and the main idea are, and the two supporting sentences and the conclusion, of course the title as well. So as you can tell, my title is about the dining room, which answers the prompt. And starting in the first sentence, with the first sentence, I identified why it's important, the topic, because it's where I have the most personal interactions to solve problems together as a family. And then I followed that topic sentence with two examples. For example, here, and I gave the example of the occurrence that happened last month, and also some of the details that occurred in the example. And then in the second example, I also provided the situation and also the problem and the resolution, and some of the benefits to having the resolutions. So once those are completed, then you end the paragraph with a very brief conclusion that does not add new information, but it restates or says again what you're writing about, and it is a short conclusion, and it ends the conclusion in a very positive manner. So I hope this video is useful and helpful, and I look forward to providing you more additional videos in the future when we have new projects or assignments. Thank you.